Okay, so in this era of intelligent machines, what is it that these kinds of Bayesian methods that I was talking about might, have to tell us still? Well, in this talk, I'm going to argue that in fact, there's an interesting opportunity that comes out of this moment and a different kind of way that we can use Bayesian methods in this setting. And the key observation here is that these properties that I've indicated as the properties of deep neural networks are also properties of another kind of intelligent system. And that intelligent system is humans, right? So if we sort of go through this list, humans are definitely quite difficult to understand. We have relatively opaque inductive biases, right? We don't know what it is that inside, babies' heads before they learn anything. Nonetheless, humans are able to succeed on a surprisingly wide range of problems, and human brains do process lots of data. That's part of how they get so smart, right? And so the reason why making this parallel is useful is that there's another tradition that's used Bayesian methods extensively, and that's the tradition that appears in cognitive science. So as you heard, my day job is being a cognitive scientist. The thing that I really want to understand is humans, and the way that we've tried to understand humans is by making use of cognitive models, which are models that we create in order to understand how these systems work. And so if you have an intelligent system that's difficult to understand and opaque in these ways, building a model of that system is a way that you can get insight into exactly what it is that it's doing and try and understand something about how it actually works. And so in cognitive science, there's a long tradition of using probabilistic models and Bayesian inference as a tool for understanding how human minds work, and in particular for exploring the inductive biases that guide human learning. So this is a sort of older paper that explores this. If this is something that you're interested in learning more about, just this week, we published a book that summarizes about 20 years of research in Bayesian models of cognition with MIT Press. And it really sort of outlines this approach of what we call reverse engineering the mind. So underlying